فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Verse number 22. الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا, who separated out the earth for you and built the sky, who sent water down from it, and with that water produced things for your sustenance. Don't knowing this set up rivals to God. That is to say, once one has understood that in reality Allah alone is the creator, the provider, one will have also understood that no one else can be worthy of worship and of being associated with Allah as an equal or rival God. The meaning that is reiterated here is that Allah is the creator, the sustainer, the owner, the provider of this life, all that is in and on it. Hence, He alone deserves to be worshipped, and no one and nothing is to be associated with Him. Number 23. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, if you are in any doubt whether it is we who have revealed this book to our servant, then produce just a surah like it and call all your supporters and seek in it the support of all others save Allah accomplish this if you are truthful. Before this, in Mecca, opponents had often been challenged to produce anything of comparable merit if they believed the Quran to be the work of human being. In Medina, the same challenge was reiterated for similar challenges made elsewhere in Quran. See Surah Yunus, verse number 38. Or do they say about the Prophet? He invented the Quran. Say, then bring forth a surah like it and call upon for assistance whomever you can besides Allah, if you should be truthful. Ayat 24 ends with a strong warning that if you will not be able to produce Allah's challenge, and certainly you will not be able to do so, then be ready for the punishment. It is very strong ayah affirming the punishment of hellfire, fire whose fuel are men and stones prepared for the disbelievers. What is the fuel in the Quran? For you who will save yourselves and your family from a fire, the fuel of which is human beings and stones, appointed on which are angels, stern and self, who don't disobey Allah in what He orders them and do whatever they are ordered.